Hello, Ms. Klein here. So I'm going to show you what we've been doing today in class, just to give you a heads up so you can get going on this. First, we're going to go into our classroom, Google Classroom. And as you'll see, there are a couple of assignments that are already posted. This assignment right here is the one that we're going to be taking a look at today. So Journey Through Space is just kind of like a digital scavenger hunt where you're going to go through and explore a few of the different resources that we're going to be using here in class, and then also some that will become more important in the event that we would go home and do distance learning. Okay, so you're going to want to open up this Journey Through Space slides. This is a slide set that you cannot edit, but it's view only. And you're going to work through each of the slides on here and read the directions and then complete the task on the slide. Okay, in addition to those slides, you're going to open up an assignment called Mission Log, Journey Through Space. Each of you has a unique copy of this mission log that is assigned to you. So you're going to open up that as well. And you're going to be toggling back and forth between the mission log and the Journey Through Space slide set, which apparently is still loading very slowly. Here we go. Okay, so we can get started over here. Journey Through Space. Today you'll embark upon a mission through space, collecting information and experience at each stop in your journey, which will prepare you for an exciting voyage this year. Your mission objective is to work independently to visit 6 objects in space and collect a unique artifact after completing all of the tasks at that stop. Visit each of the stops before you reach the point of no return. All right, so here's your directions. You're going to go to each stop, and then once you've completed the task at that stop, you're going to grab your mission patch, which mission patch or whatever the artifact is that's on the slide. You're going to do that by copying and pasting. So you can double tap there and copy, or you can do a Control-C and copy. And then you're going to come over to your mission log and you're going to paste that badge or that artifact in your mission log over here in the payload bay. Okay, and that just lets me know that you have completed that task. So for that first assignment here, you need to take a learning styles quiz. You're going to click on the brain, click on this link that is attached to the brain, and that's going to take you to a quick 20 questionnaire that's going to tell me about your learning style and the best way that you learn, and that'll help me a lot. So once you complete that activity, you're actually going to record your results. There'll be percentages that you're going to see at the results portion. You're going to insert a text box. You can do that by the drop down with insert, or you can go over here to this shortcut bar and click on the T. You're going to click, drag, and drop a text box in here. Okay. If you need to zoom in because this is too small of a space, you can use the zoom button right here, or you can use your shortcuts, which would be Control-Alt+ and Control-Alt- to make it smaller. Okay, so we're going to zoom in a little bit just so we can see a little bit more closely what's going on. You're going to do this same thing, make a text box to add your name. So let's go ahead and do that since we have that information. Drag and drop a text box in. I'm going to put your name in here. And then I would just press enter a couple of times until you get down to the next area. So let's say you're in 4th hour. You're going to go ahead and record whatever hour you're in for your class. Okay? And you're going to do that at each of the stops. Okay? The last stop is going to ask you to give me some information here. You're just going to drop a text box in, just like you did for your name. And then you can type a little bit of a paragraph in here. Okay? So let's go ahead and take a look back here at the Journey Through Space. Just a few pointers or tidbits that might be important to point out. This next one after the International Space Station is our Remind app. If you don't have a phone, you don't necessarily need to sign up for the Remind app, but I would like you to click on this link and go ahead and take a look at how to sign up for the Remind app so you can help your parents sign up. In the event that we would go online, this is going to become much more important. I probably will not use the Remind app a whole lot if we remain in person, but that's going to be a tool that'll be more helpful later. Let's see here. There's a couple of different places that you can access our virtual classroom, and I'll show you where those are located. So if you take a look back at your homepage for Classroom, up here at the very top, there's classwork. Our resources for the year that we're going to use over and over again are going to be posted here at the very top. You'll notice that the information here is all organized by when the assignment is taking place. So this bundle one is information that we're going to be using for our first unit of instruction. This first week is assignments that we've been working on this week. And then these resources are always going to stay up here at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the resources. You will see that I have our digital classroom posted up here. And that'll have a lot of links that are important or will be important at some point during instruction, okay? That are taking a very long time to load. Let me go ahead and fix my spelling here. Maybe. Okay, so for that particular slide, we're looking for the STEM Scopes link. You'll notice over here on this side that there are a lot of links to our interactive websites that we'll be using. If you click on those, the website is going to pop up. You just click on that and it'll take you to where you need to log in. And you just follow the directions that's on the slide. So you'll be using your email address and then your linchpin, just numbers, no letters, to actually log in. And all you have to do here is log in and make sure that you can log in. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys continue through your journey and go from slide to slide to complete the rest of the assignments. Please make sure that you follow the directions. For example, this Flipgrid, you actually have to click on the link that's on here because it takes you to the specific prompt to answer. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm available by email, and I'm usually very prompt in responding. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our little venture through space. And if you have any questions, I look forward to hearing from you.